from your beautiful calls. Thank you. Appreciate so much, Aris. Wow, thank you, Moon. Mm-hmm. Auto select. Paano ba to? Aha. What's that? Hello, everybody. How to choose what's this? Oh, thank you, Moon. Thank you for that, Moon. Wow. At then, yes po, may quota kasi po dito sa Vigo. Hello, everyone. Kailangan kong ma-reach ng 1K beans para makagraduate ako. Hello, shall we, everyone? Shall we? Shall we sa mga bagong pasok? How's your morning? Hi, Prime Sparkle. Shall we, everybody? Shall we, Miss Kate? Shall we, Bebe? Shall we, Lenny? Wow, thank you, Moon. No. Wow, thank you for that, Moon. Thank you. Thank you, Moon. Thank you so much. Ang dami. Thank you. Shall we, Lenny? Shall we, Becker? Shall we, everyone? Hello, Lenny. Shall we? Shall we, everybody? Shall we follow me back, beautiful? I did. Shall we? Shall we? Vay, thank you, Vay, for following. Then follow back. Shall we, everybody? How's your morning? Good morning, everyone. Hero, shall we? Thank you so much, Moon. Thank you for that, Nile. Thank you so much. Hi, ganda. Good morning. Good morning naman din. Hasheko, good morning. Shall we? Shall we? Anong ganap? Wala po. Ito nga, nagla-live. Pangatlong live ko pa lang to. I am a newbie. Hello, Manok. Shall we? Welcome again. Welcome. Na-familiarize ko ng some of you na palaging nag-aana sa akin. Nagjo-join ng live ko. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate ko so much. Hello, ganda. Hello po. Hello. Sweetie guy. Shall we, sweetie guy? Welcome. Shall we, Christian? Shall we? Hello. Shall we, everyone? Shall we, Yorme? Shall we? I just woke up here. Sana magandang morning yung lahat. Hannah babes, hello buba. Shall we? Shall we, everyone? Rock, hi Rock. Shall we, Rock? Good morning. Nag-aaral pa nga while nagla-live. Hello, good afternoon, Piers. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello, Ace. Shall we, Ace? Nag-breakfast ka na po? Hindi pa po. Magpe-prepare sana ako ng breakfast kaso I think parang need ko mag-live kasi nga magtatrabaho ako dito. I'll be busy later so kailangan ko mag-live every day. So, ayun na nga at paubos ng MB ko. Wala na akong load. Wala akong wifi. Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning everybody. Good morning. Casey Boom. Shall we? Shall we everybody? Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Kahit saan man kayong lugar. You are beautiful. Thank you, Williams. Thank you. Kiwi Blue. Shall we everybody? Shall we, Naruto, Elmar? Good morning, Mom Beautiful. Thank you, Cornelia. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Wow, thank you for following. Then followed back po. Shall we? Deleted account. Shall we? Deleted account. Shall we? Shall we, Mr. DJ? Shall we? Hello, everybody. Ex-admin mo. Thank you. You're so beautiful and sexy, Mom. Thank you, Cornelio. Thank you for following, Lazaro. Then follow back. ID 11093. Thank you for following. Then followed back. Shall we, everybody? Welcome po kayo dito sa live ko. Good morning. How's your morning naman? Gwynly, thank you for following Gwynly. How's your morning, everyone? Sana okay kayong lahat dyan. Wow, thank you, Nile. Ayun na nga po. Thank you, Nile. Grabe naman to si Nile. Ang generous naman. Ang generous naman ni Nile. Thank you, Nile. Shall we, Kimi? Shall we, Jim? Shall we? Thank you so much, Nile. Thank you, Kimi. Thank you. Hi. Hello, everybody. Thank you for sending hearts, everyone. Thank you. Shall we? Good morning, everybody. Shall we, David? Shall we, porn star? Shall we? Shall we, Kevin? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Kozorio, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for sending your likes. Good morning, by the way. Shall we, Pia? Ka-farm ko pala to. Good morning, Pia. Good morning. Good morning po. Shall we, Sheba? Shall we? Shall we, Boss Primo? Shall we? Good morning, Pia. Good morning. Shall we, everyone? Vintot, shall we? Shall we? Shall we po sa mga bagong pasok? Good morning, everybody. Shall we, Wilk? Shall we, Spike? Shall we? Si Manager Lenzy, Manager, yes po. Si Manager Lenzy po. Shall we, everyone? Thank you for joining. Kasin mi dua. Ay, mao ba po? Iha kong gikuan, bago lang kong hard niya, murag katulo pa na ko ni nga live. 3 days pa pod ko. Thank you for following, Black. Then follow back po. Thank you for sending your likes. Shall we, everyone? Shall we? Good morning. Taga Sibugay, di ay ka. Yes po, partang sa Sibugay. Pero kung mag-live ka, line lang ko. Para di ka boringan. Sige po. Sige po. Live lang ako karon kay very early kay na ako'y work later. Pahurot na sa jud akong load. Walay wifi, kalas kay kog load ani. Mag-line ta later po.